So this is a question I get almost every day. But how are you managing focusing on yourself so much, on the business? How are you making time to be an athlete? And also, how's your wife so happy? Because I have to balance everything. I have to make sure that all of the things that I focus on gets enough attention. And that's my goal. And I want to share this, how I am able to do that with you guys. But it's not going to be a 5-minute video. I'm going to break it down into bite-sized chunks that you can able to digest. And it's very simple. But before I share that, you need to understand why we're going to do it. So the technique is, before you go sleep at night, you have to write down your plan for the next day. Because if you have a plan, if you have a roadmap, you're able to follow that and execute that very strategically. But tomorrow when you wake up and you have no plan, you're like a leaf in the wind, just blowing. However the wind blows, you also go. And we don't want to be like leaves. We don't want to be scattered around. We want to be purposeful, driven men. And a purposeful, driven man and a confident man knows exactly what he is going to achieve, how is he going to do it. If not how, he knows exactly what he's going to do to be able to achieve that. And if he does not know what, then he's going to go and do research. That is where the plan comes in. But before you overwhelm yourself by writing so many plans, because first things first, we need to build those habits. Nothing matters if you can do it. It don't matter if you do it inconsistently. It has to be consistent, right? You have to build each day after another. So you have to build it. And this is what I did personally to be able to achieve success. I didn't achieve success by being scattered. I achieved it once I became focused. And this is what you're going to do. You need to become focused. The year 2026 is almost done. So let's be focused for this year. Write down those plans each night. Look at it the next morning and actually hold yourself accountable. And before you add on many other things, focus on doing one thing very well for the next 28 days. Build this habit. And therefore, just trust the process.